Let's go.
Run, Leo. All right. Wave at me, Greg.
You can take that hand away. You can hold on to Leo, see?
Come on, man.
Yeah, huh? You want to hold on by yourself? No.
You ain't got nothing to hold on to on the dude.
Here, I got you. I got you. Oh, Fear's got you.
Tell Mama,
You can sit
I'm a
there.
real cowboy now.
Just sit there. Then they're not going to move. Just sit there. Wait a mama.
I'm a real cowboy.
That other cow's going up to him in the back.
That's fine. He ain't going to do nothing.
Yeah, Peggy, you a good boy, Leo. Good boy.
Good boy.
I'm not strong yet.
You're not strong yet.
No.
Why?
To be a cowboy.
You're getting strong. Look, you already riding a bull. You go tell them other cowboys I rode a bull. Huh? Say I rode a bull for 8 seconds. Tell them, huh? I mastered that bull.
You riding your favorite bull, huh?
You riding, Leo? Is it fun? What? You doing good. I ain't even got to hold you. Yeah, you are.
All right, say hold me. We'll do one more loop.
You want to do another loop? Make it run. No. Just walk.
Leo's too fat to run.
Leo, you having fun riding Graydon? Huh?
He said I'm done. No, Leo said I'm done.
He said, you too fat, Greg, not tired.
You tired him out. What about the baby?
Tell Leo thank you.
What about the baby?
Okay. I forgot about the baby cat. The baby cactus. I forgot the baby cactus. Forgot one. Can you shoot?
Oh, no.
Get the rope on them.
Okay. Turn it off.